There are so many advantages to being a small business, and so are the disadvantages. The advantages is that you're very small, you can do things very fast. You can make decisions way faster than a big business. The disadvantages: the big businesses have the market. So you have to work really hard to get that market. And that's what we're going to be sharing today. And it has something to do with speed. The faster you are, the faster you're going to learn what your customers need, and the faster you're going to capture the market that you need, which in the long run turns to being able to compete in the market. Otherwise, you will be squashed and you won't make it even an inch into the world of business. Welcome to today's podcast. So we are going to be talking about speed, basically. How fast should you go? How fast shouldn't you go? Should you go fast at all? Is it important to go fast? So I'm going to use these two scenarios of something small and something big, i.e. specifically on the road. We're going to use a border perhaps and a car. I remember in one of the podcasts that I did earlier, I remember sharing about being a small business. You shouldn't move as if you are a big business. You have no business moving like a big establishment. With a big car, the more open the road, the faster you can go, and way faster than a motorbike. But where does a motorbike get the upper hand? In jumps specifically, a motorbike can go way faster, way faster. Now look at this scenario. Look at a motorcyclist trying to stay in the lane and move like a car moves. It looks dumb, it looks very stupid when they can actually move very much faster. Those little spaces that are left, they can move really fast and beat a car that's in a jump. Now that's the only competitive advantage you as a small business has. You can move very fast, you can make decisions much faster than the big companies. If you don't do that, you're going to be squeezed, you're going to be squashed, you're not going to make it where you're supposed to make it. Or rather, you can start up really well, because people always receive new ideas very well. But for you to stay longer in the market, you need to understand and speed up the build, measure, and learn loop. One, the great idea that you've gotten. So many people have seen it already, as long as you've started implementing it. And there are fast followers, people who are trying to do exactly what you're doing. So the slower you go, the faster they're going to catch up with you. Two, the slower you go, the harder it's going to get for your customers to understand what you do and for you to satisfy your customers. So that's something that a big business would have to suffer with, because there are so many things that they will have to go through before those decisions are made. So you have this advantage of speed. Now this is how the build, measure, and learn loop works. You find out what you want to learn, then you find out how to measure what you want to learn. Then you build what you need to put in place so that you can do the measurement, and in turn get what to learn out of it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to understand why people like mango juice very much. So that's what you want to learn. So you will learn how to measure it. How are you going to do that measurement when you build? So you're going to find out that maybe I have a few customers that I usually serve. Let's say you do the juice business. So you're going to find out that maybe 10 out of 20 people that I usually serve, I'm going to give them this new mango juice flavor. So after understanding who you're going to give, then you go forward and make that mango juice. Now you understand that you need to make that mango juice with that specific flavor, just to understand how people respond to it. Now that's how it goes. Now the faster you go through that loop, let's say if you can do that within a day, it's even best. Learn and understand and get fast feedback and understand what exactly people like about that. If they say they don't like, you improve on it. If they say they like it, then you add on it and you make sure you move as fast as possible to produce as many as you can and supply as much as you can, so that you capture that market that you need. Have you been taking too much time thinking that you do not have much to lose? You actually have so much to lose if you don't move that fast. So you have to move very fast. Whatever type of business you're doing, whatever type of establishment you're trying to do, you have to move very fast. If you move slowly, someone is going to catch up with you. So you are on a race against time, you are on a race against money, you are on a race against the fast followers that are coming towards you. So the faster you go, the better, the most advantageous it is for you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching until the end. We share practical tips that help small businesses or people who would like to start businesses to grow their businesses and accumulate wealth and riches in the long run. So this is specifically for that small person that has started, or even you who hasn't yet started a small business, but you're soon going to start. So you should know not to delay when you're making decisions, when you're moving ahead. You should have a plan and keep on executing those plans, measuring, does this work? If it doesn't work, move to the next one. Find out, does this work? If it doesn't work, move to the next one as fast as you can. And each time refining what you're doing and making it much better and much easier. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit on the like button, but more especially the notification button, the little bell, so that you'll be notified each time we have tips like this. Do you have a comment about this? What do you think? Should small businesses move faster? Should they move slower? Do you have backing reasons as to why they should do what they should do? Please leave a comment in the comment section. I will be very much interested in finding out what you think. I'll see you the next time we do this. Bye-bye.